Hello class 4th, welcome you all in the science class. As you are knowing that in the last two videos we were studied about the lesson 3, the digestive and the excretory system. Today we will do its revision. It will be according to the points. So the point number 1 is about the definition of digestion. It can be asked to you that what do you mean by digestion or write the definition of digestion. So you will tell the process by which food gets broken down into a simpler form so that it gets absorbed by the body is called the digestion. It means digestion वो प्रोसेस है जिससे फूड स्मॉल पीसेस में ब्रेक डाउन होता है और इस लायक हो जाता है कि उसको हमारी बॉडी एब्जॉर्ब कर सके बिकॉज विदाउट absorption it cannot give us energy. Now it can be asked that what are the organs which make the digestive system. So the answer is mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver, rectum and anus. All these organs combined together to do the process of digestion. Now see the point number 2. It is again related to the digestion, but it is about the mouth. In mouth, saliva is produced. So it can be asked that what is saliva and what is its importance in the digestion. So you will tell that saliva is produced in the mouth. It contains some chemicals. Why the saliva is important? Saliva important क्यों है? Because saliva contains some chemicals that start digesting the carbohydrate in the mouth. Never forget children that the process of digestion start in the mouth by the saliva. So see what is in point number 3. It is about the oesophagus, that is food pipe. It connects the mouth with the stomach. Actually, esophagus is only the way for passing the food from mouth to the stomach. It can be asked to you that what do you mean by esophagus and what is its function. So you will tell it is a pipe only for connecting the mouth and stomach. It is important as it passes the food. So the next point, that is point number 4, is about the role of small intestine. So in small intestine, the process of digestion gets completed and the useful nutrients gets absorbed into the blood. Digestion का process यही complete होता है क्योंकि small intestine की wall यहाँ food को absorb कर लेती हैं. The next point, that is point number 5, is about the large intestine. Large intestine absorb the water from the undigested food because whatever we are eating cannot digest. So digested food can be absorbed in small intestine and undigested food passes into the large intestine where the wall of large intestine absorb the water from the undigested food and after that the food get converted into stool or feces. Now see the next point. It is about the liver. It can be asked that what is the function of liver. So you will tell that liver produces some chemical known as the digestive juices which help in the digestion of the food. Point number 7 is again about the digestive system, that what is the importance of water in the process of digestion. If you do not drink sufficient water, the digested food will dry up in the intestine. इंटेस्टाइन में फूड का डाइजेशन होता है और अगर वहां पर इसे वाटर प्रॉपर नहीं मिलता तो फूड वहीं पर ड्राई हो जाता है. सो एज अ रिजल्ट द न्यूट्रिएंट विल नॉट बी एब्जॉर्ब्ड प्रॉपरली एंड द बॉवल मूवमेंट विल आल्सो नॉट बी प्रॉपर. तो जब हमारे बॉडी के डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स के बॉवल मूवमेंट सही से नहीं होंगे तो फूड एक ऑर्गन से दूसरे ऑर्गन में पास नहीं होगा. So it is very important, and in that case if the bowel movement will not be proper then the person will suffer from the constipation. The next point is about the rectum. That rectum is a part of large intestine. Towards the end it stores the feces for some time before passing it out of the anus. The feces or stool which was formed in the large intestine passes into the rectum. In the rectum the feces get स्टोर्ड फॉर फ्यू टाइम. रेक्टम में फेसेस तब तक इकट्ठा रहता है जब तक कि वो एनस में पास नहीं हो जाता. So next point is about the anus, that the function of the anus is only to remove the feces from outside of our body. Point number 10 is about the importance of chewing the food. If we do not chew the food properly, bigger particles will reach the stomach. Definitely बड़े पार्टिकल जब स्टमक में जाएंगे, स्टमक में जो भी जूसेस प्रोड्यूस होते हैं वो तो प्रोड्यूस होंगे, लेकिन अब फूड उतने अच्छे से डाइजेस्ट नहीं होगा अगर वो स्मॉल पीसेस में आता तो और डाइजेशन की प्रोसेस भी लंबी हो जाएगी. मोर एवर सलाइवा विल आल्सो नॉट मिक्स विथ द फूड. As a result, the digestion will not take place properly and the nutrients will not be released from the food to be absorbed. It means आप ये कह सकते हैं कि अगर चीविंग की प्रोसेस प्रॉपर नहीं है तो आगे की सारी प्रोसेस प्रॉब्लम में आ जाएगी और फाइनली स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स फूड से निकल के हमारी बॉडी में जाने वाले थे ब्लड में वो भी उतनी नहीं जा पाएंगे, न्यूट्रिएंट्स कम हो जाएंगे और उस केस में जो स्टूल या फेसेस का फॉर्मेशन होगा वो पूरी तरीके से वेस्ट नहीं होगा, उसमें बहुत सारी यूजफुल चीजें भी होंगी. द फेसेस और स्टूल विच विल फॉर्म इन द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन विल कंटेन वेरी यूजफुल थिंग्स which will get out from the body. It means if we will not chew the food, definitely we are in problem. Then it is our loss. The next point is about the excretory system. So see that what is the definition of excretion. The process by which the waste are removed from our body is called the excretion, and the organs of excretory system includes a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder and a urethra. Here a question can come in your mind that what is the difference between the waste which were formed in the last of digestion process and here in the excretory system. Actually, the stool or feces which was formed in the process of digestion, that is the undigested food. And in point number 11 we are talking about the kidneys, ureter. They are also helping in the excretion, but they excrete the liquid waste which comes by the blood. The next point is about the function of kidney. Kidneys filter the blood and form urine. Every human have two kidneys which are very important for the human. Point number 13 is about the ureter. Ureter are the thin tubes as you can see in the picture, and its function is only transporting the urine which was produced in the kidney. Actually, main function of the excretory system is done by the kidney. किडनी में जिस यूरिन का फॉर्मेशन होता है आगे के सारे ऑर्गन्स बस उस यूरिन को पास करने का काम करते हैं. मीन्स यूरेटर यूरिन को यूरेनरी ब्लैडर तक ले जाता है और फिर यूरेनरी ब्लैडर उसे यूरेथ्रा से बाहर निकाल देती है. बट द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ यूरिन फॉर्मेशन हेल्ड इन द किडनी. Point number 14 is about the urinary bladder, that already I have told you. Urine is stored in the urinary bladder before being passed out of the body. जब तक हम वॉशरूम फ्रेश होने के लिए नहीं जाते तब तक यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में यूरिन कलेक्ट होती है और जब यूरिनरी ब्लैडर यूरिन से फिल हो जाती है तब हमें वॉशरूम जाने की जरूरत फील होती है. Now you can understand that to go to washroom for being fresh is so important. The urine contains the harmful and poisonous material of our blood. So as you feel to go for washroom, must go without getting delay. Point number 15 is about the work of urethra. That urethra is the organ which passes out the urine from the body. So children, it was all enough about the lesson 3. Today I am giving you the assignment to do the short note and question answer. If you have revised this chapter along with me today, definitely you all will able to solve today's assignment. So children, thank you.